it's Jen from Nurturing Brain Potential. This centre was set up in June last year for helping kids with autism, ADHD, behavioural problems and learning issues. It follows the work of Dr. Robert Milello, who spent 30 years of his life studying the reason why these kids are getting these issues. We're basically looking at the development, it's called functional development. We're looking at the development of the brain from 0 to 3. And with some of these kids, there's areas of the brain that don't develop the way they should do due to environmental issues, due to lack of movement, very much different stresses that happen. Because they don't develop, it means the brain isn't functioning the way it should be doing. So for these kids, things that are quite easy for other kids come very, very hard. It can be shown as dysgraphia, the ability to write. It could be the fact that they're not processing the way they should be doing. It could be the fact that they have primitive reflexes that haven't integrated. So these kids are struggling in day-to-day life, they're struggling at school, and they're getting labelled. Our job here is to check to see what exactly is happening in the brain and what areas are not functioning or not developed the way they should be doing. When we assess a child, we do it according to Milello method. We check to say which areas of the brain hasn't developed. Then we give the parents the home program with some exercises to do. We're also the first practice in Australia to use NeuroSage, which is digital therapy, which helps improve the brain's ability to produce dopamine and serotonin. We also have the interactive metronome, which helps with timing in the brain. The thalamus in the brain helps with timing and the oscillations of the brain. It is the pacemaker of the brain. If that's not functioning well, that child is struggling to process, to do things. So the interactive metronome brings the brain up to speed rather than slowing the world down. So when we do an initial consultation, we give the parents a 12-week program to follow. We also suggest that they come to the centre for the NeuroSage, interactive metronome and laser. We also do offer the intensive primitive reflexes, which we'll talk about in a little while's time. Thank you.